Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Parenting with Assets. I'm Christina Martinez with Big Brothers Big Sisters of South Texas. And today we are talking about asset number 33, interpersonal competence. Do our children care about and are they affected by other people's feelings? Do they enjoy making friends? And lastly, when they are frustrated or angry, do they try to calm themselves down? So the Search Institute again tells us that when we have this asset and we get it right, our children avoid risky behaviors. And only about 45% of young people report having this skill set. So how do we build this asset? Well, this is tricky because young people don't always know how to interpret their own feelings, let alone somebody else's. So we have to, as the adults in their life, help them interpret their feelings. Are they frustrated? Are they sad? Are they angry? And then we have to help them interpret other people's feelings. Looks like she's feeling sad or he's feeling angry. Looks like they're not having a good day. So as we are interpreting and helping them interpret these feelings, we are building this competency. The other way we build this competency is by good role modeling. If we want young people to be able to calm and soothe themselves down when they're upset or angry, we have to show that we can do that too, especially when it comes to dealing with other people. We can't blow up on our waitress or waiter because they brought us the wrong meal. We can't blow up at the people at H-E-B because we have to stand in line. We have to role model this competency. The other way to build this skill is to invite our children's friends into our home. Not right now, but when this is all over, invite them over and spend time talking with them and getting to know them. See you again soon.